Top online money-making opportunity of 2025 unveiled. Join us as we dive into the easiest online moneymaker of 2025 and see if we can actually turn it into real cash. Making money online has become a dream for so many of us, but let's be honest, the journey can be tough. We see others thriving, but when we try, it just doesn't click. The internet is packed with opportunities, but which ones are legit? Which ones are just a waste of time? Scams are everywhere. Maybe you've been there. An offer sounds amazing, you invest and boom, the person disappears. Then there's the info overload. Too many options, not enough clarity. We've all felt stuck. Freelancing, it's solid. You offer your skills worldwide, but it's hustle heavy. You're juggling clients, deadlines, and burnout. Affiliate marketing, great in theory, but building an audience that actually buys takes time and strategy. Online surveys and gig apps, easy to start, low pay, lots of clicking, not much earning. So what's the best move in 2025? Here it is. Creating and selling digital products. You build it once, sell it over and over. No trading hours for dollars, no boss, just real leverage. Start small, sell on platforms that handle the tech, and watch your digital storefront earn while you sleep. This isn't hype. It's scalable, sustainable, and beginner-friendly. In 2025, this is the game changer. We don't need a massive following. We need a valuable product and a simple system. So if you've tried making money online, share what worked and what didn't in the comments. You could help someone else take their first step. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on building online income that lasts.